How to buy KEKIUS Maximus token on the Trust wallets. Now before that, make sure this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now before that, go and open this token on CoinGisco and now go to contracts and copy the token address to be able to add it to Trust wallet and buy it from there. And remember, this token it's under the Ethereum network. Now go and open the Trust wallet from here. And now as you can see, we need to log into our wallets. Now after that, go and scroll down and click on manage crypto. Now click on the plus here and select the Ethereum as a network. As you can see, now paste the token as is and now click on add token. Now from here you will see the KEKIUS token here added. As you can see, this is it. Now click on it and now as you can see, just wait a few seconds. And now as you can see, we have the send and receive. So if you have this token on like the Bybit wallet or the Bitkit wallet, you can now go to Bitkit wallet or Bybit wallet and click on transfer. Now to be able to get that withdrawal address of KEKIUS, just click on receive and as you can see, proceed anyway. I will just go back and click on receive, proceed anyway. And now click on it here and as you can see, copy this withdrawal address and go to your wallet that you want to transfer that KEKIUS from and paste it there and you will be able to buy that KEKIUS token to your Trust wallet. So this is how to buy the KEKIUS Maximus token on Trust wallet. So if you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in this video.